Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a few topics to go over. Bitcoin and the whole crypto market taking a dump today and now seeming to have a nice little bounce. I got a nice little Ethereum trade going here. It's currently at 19% profits. And we have some huge news for Polkadot. So before we get into that, if at any point you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and turning on post notifications so you can always be here as soon as I upload my videos and get this information as soon as it comes out. Thank you guys, I appreciate the support. Alright, now let's get into this. So, I'll actually start by showing you Bitcoin. And here, let me get rid of some of this mess. This chart looks disgusting. So yesterday we were talking about how Bitcoin was holding this level at around 37.5, and that didn't last too long. We got 3 blood diamonds here, and then we took a dump, and currently found support right at the 3,500 level, and we had a bounce off that level, and we're currently working our way back up, putting in higher lows, higher highs, which is good. So as soon as Bitcoin bounced off of this level, I was watching Ethereum as well. And alright, so I was talking about in a video not that long ago how when a price comes down to these support levels and you see a reaction like this, like a wick just come down and then quickly get scooped back up, that is a good sign of a reversal off that level. So that happened off of this 2140 level, as well as we had a bullish divergence forming on the 30-minute. You can see here momentum going up. Momentum was increasing, getting closer to the positive side, while we had price very obviously decreasing. So with all of those factors in mind, I entered a long right here, and it is doing pretty well right now. I'm probably going to look to take profits once we get to one of these levels. And yeah, so now hopefully we can continue an uptrend with this bounce. But we're heading into the weekend, so I would expect some volatility. Maybe we see a little bit more downward action for Bitcoin and the market as a whole. But now let's get into the Polkadot news. So, Polkadot got added to Coinbase. Polkadot surged for That's a weird way to put that. Polkadot surged for 15% after being listed on Coinbase. Okay. Coinbase, the publicly listed crypto exchange, has listed Polkadot's native token, DOT, pushing its price up by 15%. Polkadot is receiving a lot of support from institutional investors due to its B2B-centered architecture. The network plans to launch the parachain slot auctions this summer in wake of Kusama's successful launch on June 15th. Polkadot has been on the radar for investors after successfully developing parachains, a standalone layer 1 blockchain that possesses a single functionality, specialized characteristics, and governance. Polkadot's technical growth prompted Coinbase to list their native token DOT on their exchange on June 14th. Unlike Ethereum, which relies on minimal governance, Polkadot has a radical approach to governance. It empowers DOT token holders through its 12-member council, thus having a dynamic effect on the entire governance model. Polkadot has developed an infrastructure that can act as a bridge between a network such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. Such a bridge facilitates parachains to be able to enable the permissionless and open infrastructure of Web 3.0. Brian emphasizes that the bridge will allow cross-chain tokens and data transfers from one blockchain to another. Okay, so this is just getting into what Polkadot does, but this is great news, guys. Finally, Coinbase lists Polkadot. I have been waiting for this because, I've been interested in Polkadot for a while, but it has been difficult for me to invest in it, up until now at least. So this is good news for Polkadot. And guys, again, I just want to emphasize this. The fact that pretty much the news is covering everything but Ethereum right now should tell you to watch Ethereum and all DeFi projects. They're talking about DeFi projects a lot, but I don't hear a lot of people saying good things about Ethereum. I just want you to remember what makes all of that possible. Real quick, I'll pull up Polkadot's chart because apparently it had a 15% surge after being listed on Coinbase. Yep. Is that right here? So yeah, it did, have a more than a 15% pump actually. But that didn't last too long. It is now currently pretty much right back where it was when I guess it got listed. I guess that would be right here. So hey, if anybody's looking to scoop up Polkadot, now might not be such a bad time. Alright guys, well, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. If you could, leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate the support. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye.